what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Wow, that was probably like the best transition I've ever done in my life.
That's it, Brian?
Hey guys, it's me, Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. And I did like a similar video to this one, I don't know, like a month ago. It was how to grow out your eyebrows. So if you're interested in that video, I have it linked down below. And oh my god, it's so cold today. I don't know, it's like minus 30, minus 28, something like that. It's so cold, and it's almost Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm wearing like lots of pink today. Hold up, let me fix the window. Did you see how the lighting changed? Like, that's beautiful. And like, I never wear like pink in like clothes or makeup, but like, you know, I decided to go into the season, get into the spirit of Valentine's Day, that's what I was trying to say, by wearing pink.
Yes.
Anyways, I'm talking way too much. If you are interested, please do subscribe. That sounds so stupid because the video hasn't even started and you don't even know who I am. But if you'd like to, the subscribe button's down there, and I don't know what I'm saying anymore. And yeah, without further ado, before I say anything more stupid, I am going to just begin with this. So right now I have nothing on my eyebrows. I do have kind of thick eyebrows, but I still like to shape them a bit sometimes. And I can't remember if I said this or not, but I'm going to be using only dupe products or like drugstore products because I ain't got no money. So I'm going to be showing you my two favorite eyebrow products right now. Well, utensils and product. So this is the eyebrow, I think it's called the dual eyebrow brush from e.l.f. And one side has like a thin angled brush and one side has a spoolie. And I love this so much. It's so useful because you can just go switch, 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 you know. And I believe it was around $5. It's not bad. And then here I have my eyebrow pomade from e.l.f. Actually, it's called Lock On Liner and Brow Cream, and I have it in the shade medium brown. And this is like an amazing dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade. It works so amazingly, and I use it like almost every day. It just works super great. So if you're looking for a dupe for that, make sure you guys go check out e.l.f. This is not sponsored, I just really like e.l.f. So yeah, those are the things I'm going to be using, plus a few other things. So yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to be starting with a spoolie, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrow like upwards, like in an upward motion like this. And this will help lift them up and just keep everything together. Because especially if you do your eyebrows in the morning, I don't know if it's just me, but my eyebrows get so messed up during the night and they're all like... Now taking a bit of this, I'm going to be just starting off at the end of the brow from the arch down and creating a line. I'm connecting that with the bottom one as well. I'm sorry if I'm really bad at explaining things. Hopefully the visuals will make up for it. Just like so, and you kind of just like make the shape of the bottom back of the brow, and I'll do that to the other side as well. Okay, and be sure to flick it out at the back, well, the bottom, like this, for like the sharp finish. And then I'm taking more of the product and blending it into like the middle here. I'm scared this is gonna be like a super long video. Sorry if it's going to be in advance. And I'm doing that up to the top too. And you want the back to be darker than the front, especially here, because you want that fade. So yeah, and then you're going to do that to the other side. Can you see the difference so far? Alright, so there we go. Now we have the outline done of our eyebrows. So now, starting from the back, I am going to be filling my eyebrow in. Trying to make it as even as possible. And as you can see, I made a mistake, but that's okay. I'll show you how to fix that later. I'm just going to start filling it in. Okay, now that I'm done that, I'm going to take the remaining of my product left on my brush, and that's not a lot, by the way. There's like hardly any transfer when you put it onto your skin, so that's perfect to create the fade because you need this part lighter than this part. So yeah, it's really simple too. So you can just fill this in and then use the remaining product to fill this part in. So you don't really even need to fill it in. I just feather it on to make it look a little bit more even and natural. I just use like sideways and horizontal, and sideways and horizontal are both the same. I mean sideways and vertically and horizontal and vertically or whatever. So yeah, now that you're done that, I'm taking the spoolie this time and I'm brushing it out, especially up in the front here. I don't want to say the word fade again, but you know what I mean. And then this will help it look a little bit more natural, and like it'll help it blend a little bit more. And yeah, this is like really simple and easy, and once you get the hang of it, I can probably do it in 5 minutes. Yeah. And yeah, now we're basically done. Now it's time for touch-ups. So now, if you made any mistakes like I did earlier, I like to take a Q-tip and just run it under your eyebrow, and it'll just make it nice and clean. Oops. Clean, and then you could just wipe away any mistakes you made. And yeah. Do you see this? Oh, you probably can't. Oh, it doesn't really matter. And then after that, to highlight and like conceal and make your eyebrows pop, I like to use a bit of concealer, and this is like the worst type of concealer to be using under your eyebrow because of this like huge applicator here. So yeah, don't start yelling at me. I know. So I'm just taking them on my finger, but you know those like, what are they called? Are they called actually like deer toe? What are they called? Comment down below if you know. Oh, now I really want to know. Like the other type of applicator, like the normal type of concealer applicator, use that. Not like me. And then just put it under your eyebrow, and it really helps them pop. And then, yeah, I really like the effect it does, and it really lifts your eyebrow as well. And then you can just put a bit on top too, and in the middle, and between your brow. The lighting is not best to see the results on this, but I definitely do recommend it. And then one of my favorite parts, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone, and guess what company this is from? Surprise, surprise, it's from e.l.f. And honestly, if you're looking for a affordable highlighter, this is a really good highlight. I use it a lot. It's just very beautiful, and I don't know, what's kind of hard to see from this lighting, but yeah, I just put it under my brow bone. It just helps them pop, and it really lifts them up. And this isn't the best lighting, but I'll show you in a better lighting after I'm done. And I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting in a while. It's been like 2 weeks, I think, and I've just been really busy with school, and school's so stressful, you know. I don't like school very much. Okay, so now I am done my eyebrows. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys from a few different lightings so you can see the different lightings. That was so stupid. Right now I'm standing in front of the lamp here. You know, this could be a good circle light. Here is a dark room with flash. I don't know, can you see the highlight now? Here it is with natural lighting, even though it's like super dark and cloudy today. Okay, I don't really have any more lightings, but comment down below which lighting you like the best. I personally like natural lighting or lamp lighting, but I like my highlight in flash lighting. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look how dark it is now. And if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below for future videos, and comment down below what you like to do with your eyebrows. Do you like to use eyebrow pencil? Do you like to use eyebrow gel? Whatever you like. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later next time. Bye.